Now, the India Bloc 2 is slated to have a meeting today evening to decide their next course of action. That is, given NDA's key alliance partners Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP and Nitish Kumar of the JDU are infamous for switching sides for their political gains. All right, let's leave it at that for the moment. Let's tell you about the fact that since we took two names, and even as the Prime Minister has hailed the NDA victory, a lot is riding on its alliance partners. Chandrababu Naidu led TDP and Nitish Kumar led JDU. In fact, both Nitish and Naidu, who are already notorious for shifting political alliances as per their convenience, could end up playing spoil sport for the NDA's win. While the duo are expected to be in Delhi to meet the BJP top brass, it's not going to be an easy road for the BJP. The opposition is already making a beeline to reach out to TDP and JDU. Listen in.
त्यांच्याबद्दल त्यांच्याशी काँग्रेसकडनं म्हणा इतरांकडनं म्हणा बोलणी सुरू आहे. परत एकदा सांगतो की चंद्रबाबू नायडूंना सुद्धा भाजप सरकारने काही कमी त्रास दिला नव्हता, नितीशना सुद्धा काही कमी त्रास दिला नाही. तर पुन्हा त्रास हवा का हा एक प्रश्न आहे. आणि मला खात्री आहे की एकदा हे गेलेले सरकार उंबरठ्यावरती आहे ते उंबरठ्यावरनं बाहेर काढण्यासाठी सगळे जे यांच्या जुलूम जबरदस्तीला चिडलेले आणि कंटाळलेले लोक आहेत ते इंडिया आघाडीत येतील.
Rahul ji, although the NDA has emerged as, they're getting the majority, but some of its partners have been your partners in the past, including the TDP and the JDU. So have you decided to sit in the opposition, or there are chances of government formation by the India government?
As we have said earlier, we're going to have a meeting with our partners. The India Alliance partners. I believe that meeting is tomorrow, and these questions will be raised there and they will be answered there. We respect our alliance partners, and we are not going to make statements in the press without asking them their opinion.
Now, let's tell you, in an attempt to be wooing the TDP, the Congress party has already announced special status for Andhra if voted to power, a long-standing demand since the bifurcation of the state. Now, amid all the hectic parleys, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Chief Omar Abdullah and India ally Omar Abdullah has cautioned against horse trading and has urged for pre-poll alliances to be maintained.
अब अगर किया है तो किया है. फिलहाल तो मुझे लगता है हमें जोड़ तोड़ की हुकूमत नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमें जोड़ तोड़ की सियासत नहीं करनी चाहिए. प्री पोल अलायंसेस जो रहे हैं, मेरा अपना मानना है कि प्रेसिडेंट राष्ट्रपति साहिबा को प्री पोल अलायंस के तौर पे जो है अपना फैसला करना चाहिए, और जो लोगों का फैसला है वो हमें तस्लीम करना चाहिए.